Hi, my name's Lucy and I'm a qualified baby yoga instructor, and we would like to show you a sequence of moves that you can use for your baby or your toddler to help them settle and sleep. So these moves are based on Hatha yoga, which is about opening up the body and closing the body, and babies and children take a lot of comfort from that. So before we start, we're going to make sure that our babies are happy and well. We're only going to take the moves as far as they want us to or allow us to. So to start with, we're just going to take these legs, have a little bounce and just encourage relax, relax. And then we're going to take one leg across the body and then the other leg across the body and have a little massage, a little rock here. And then we can bring the legs out of that pose. And then start on the other side, so one leg across, the other leg across, and a little massage and a little roll in. So babies especially take a lot of comfort in this sort of compactness of space. They're very used to it from being in the womb. So we can bring these legs out, well done, well done. And then with the arms, we can have a little bounce into the arms, just to relax, relax. And we can bring one arm across the body, other arm across the body and have a little massage, a little roll, and then we can come out again, bring the other arm in and then the other arm in across the body and another little massage and a little roll, and then we can let these arms go and we can have a little go with some piggies on the toes. Should we do some little piggies? Yeah. We can do both at the same time. We're going to start with these big toes. And we can say, this little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed at home. This little piggy had roast beef. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went to sleep. Well done, babies, well